Chinese chicken mushroom, super fast, super tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is really straightforward. We've got 3 cups of mushrooms, 2 cups of chicken, 1 cup of onion, half a cup of soy, 1 tablespoon each of ginger and garlic, and a teaspoon of what I'm using today, 5-spice powder. Now the chicken that I've got there is chicken breast, no skin, no bone, cut into thin strips. That is actually 250 grams of mushrooms, and I've just cut them in half. Very simple. Let's get moving. So you're going to be needing a skillet or a wok or something like that, up to you. I've got 2 tablespoons of oil in there. You can use any type of oil that you want. I've just put the heat on and I've put it on high. We're going to start off by dropping in the ginger. Now I've cut that ginger like that, but you can chop it smaller or put it into smaller sticks if you want. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 cup of onion, and 2 cups or decent size chicken breast. No skin, no bone, and as you can see I've cut it into thin pieces. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. So just 3 minutes there. We're now going to add in that 5-spice, just a teaspoon of that. Then we're going to add in 3 cups or 250 grams of mushrooms. You can see that my mushrooms, I've just sort of cut them in half, slice them if you want. We're going to go for 4 minutes now. Again, high heat all the way. Fabulous stuff. I'm going to add some black pepper, a nice big pinch. Adjust that if you want. I'm not going to be adding any salt. You can if you want. And that's because we're adding the soy, and the soy is definitely salty enough for me, but you can be the judge of that. So here we go, half a cup of a light soy, and to that, 1/4 cup of water. Stay on the high heat for another 3 to 4 minutes. This will evaporate out somewhat. You can see it's evaporated out nicely. Off goes the heat. Handful of spring onions or green onions. Toss that in. See you at the table. Job done. That is beautiful. Super easy and really tasty. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.